Washing our car is the most common thing we all do to preserve our car's finish. But did you know this can do the most damage by not using a high-quality car wash soap? 3D Pink Car Soap safely cleans your car, removing dirt, debris, airborne pollution, and oily traffic film without chemically stripping any previously applied waxes, sealants, or ceramic coatings. 3D Pink Car Soap is a high-sudsing, pH-balanced, hyper-concentrated car wash soap that is biodegradable, and there's no caustic or harsh ingredients, so your skin will become dry or irritated. Unlike other car wash soaps, 3D Pink Car Soap rinses off 100% clean without leaving any residues on the paint, glass, or plastic trim. Perfect for maintaining your ceramic coating. With its delicious cherry scent, you'll get the satisfaction that comes from being seen in a clean, shiny car while knowing you did it yourself. So wash your car often, but do it right and do it safely with 3D Pink Car Soap.